What up, Arrows? Got a stash up there right here. Inferno. Always Dreaming. DC. Balrog. Nazgul. Uruk-hai. Some leftovers, quick draws. All Jack Dubs. Sick and Twisted. Soinks. Jinkies. I got a whole case of ganjas right there. I got a whole case of the traps. I got some mixed haze shells, anarchies, and some masters in there. I got half a case of Con Killers, half a case of the new 6-inch anarchies. Got another Always Dreaming, right for the brand. Got a Voodoo, Neo, big boy right here, Porky. And last but not least, I got right over here Dos, Uno, Hawaii 5.0. Yes, sir.